To send payments using Zelle, start by ensuring you have a bank account or credit union that participates in the Zelle network. Next, enroll in Zelle through your bank's mobile app or website, following the prompts to create a profile and link your account. When sending payments, be aware of Zelle's transaction limits, which vary depending on your bank or credit union. Typically, the minimum amount you can send is $1, while the maximum amount ranges from $500 to $2,000 per transaction, with daily and monthly limits also applying. To send a payment, open your bank's mobile app, navigate to the Zelle section, and select Send Money. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Choose the account to send from, and enter the amount you want to send. Review the transaction details, including the recipient's information and the amount. Then confirm the payment. It's essential to verify the recipient's information before sending the payment, as once the transaction is initiated, the money is typically available to the recipient within minutes. Be cautious when sending large amounts and ensure you're sending to the correct recipient. Best practices for using Zelle include keeping your account information up to date, monitoring your account activity regularly, and only sending payments to people you trust. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with using Zelle. Although typically there are no fees for sending or receiving money, by following these steps and understanding Zelle's transaction limits, you can securely and efficiently send payments to friends, family, or businesses. Always review your bank's specific Zelle policies and limits to ensure a smooth transaction experience.